Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing 5 slim storage carts, perfect for those tight gaps under 6 inches, starting at just $19.84, up to $59.99, all from Amazon. These rolling organizers from brands like SONGMICS, Pipishell, and Max Hauser will transform your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry space. Stick around to see which one wins. Ever lost a favorite jar in cluttered kitchen corners? Small apartments stole your counter space and peace? I felt that frustration every single chaotic morning. Between washer and dryer, a narrow void haunted us. Pantry shelves toppled, spices vanished, mornings grew stressful. Then I found the Swan Slim Rolling Storage Cart. 6 tiers of neat, visible storage in 6 inches. Its narrow 6-inch depth slips into tightest gaps easily. Sturdy metal frame holds heavy detergents without sagging. Mesh wire baskets keep items visible and ventilated. 4 smooth casters glide. 2 lock for steady placement. Move it effortlessly even when fully loaded, anywhere. Assembly took minutes. Clear instructions, no tools required. Dimensions fit narrow spaces, 6D×22, 8W×61H. Hooks on the side hold utensils and extras, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and offices. Apartment renters finally reclaim counter space and calm. Organize spices, jars, cleaners, detergents, or craft supplies. Rust-resistant powder coating keeps it looking new for years. Heavy-duty weight capacity supports bulky bottles without bending. It transformed chaotic mornings into quiet, joyful routines. My family now finds everything easily. Stress gone. Small space, big heart. This cart saves time and sanity. Durable metal means this becomes part of your home. Visible baskets remind the busy parent what's left. Move it to where life needs quick organization most. Imagine breezy mornings, smiling faces, and simpler days. Bring home the Swan Slim Cart. Organize with love. Click to buy now and reclaim your peaceful kitchen. We're here if you need help assembling or questions. Pantry and bathroom gaps overflowing. Finding items feels impossible. Towels and brushes scattered. Nothing stays within easy reach. Small apartments lack storage. Corners become chaotic quickly. Heavy bottles wobble on flimsy shelves, risking spills. Cleaning behind appliances is difficult with immovable storage units. Moving things for mopping requires bulky, awkward equipment. Hooks and small tools have nowhere convenient to hang. Renters fear drilling or permanent modifications to walls. Counters get cluttered, reducing usable workspace and calm. Storage needs change. Fixed units lack flexible configurations. SONGMICS Slim Cart fits 4, 9-inch deep, narrow spaces perfectly. Compact 15, 7-inch width maximizes vertical storage without crowding. 4 ventilated deep baskets hold toiletries, towels, and bottles. Baskets are removable. Use them separately on counters or cabinets. 6 adjustable hooks mount on the side or front. Hooks keep towels, brushes, pot holders accessible and organized. Built on 4 stainless steel tubes for sturdy stability. Supports up to 35.2 pounds for wobble-free everyday use. 4360. Swivel wheels glide smoothly between tight spaces. 2 wheels lock securely, keeping cart steady when needed. Rust-resistant chrome poles ensure long-lasting, easy-to-clean durability and maintenance. Tool-free snap-in assembly makes setup quick and hassle-free. Slim profile slides between appliances, pantry gaps, or counters. Modular trays split for flexible 2-unit configurations when needed. Instantly reclaim floor and counter space for daily activities. Everything has a place. Mornings become calmer and faster. Mobile design simplifies cleaning and rearranging within minutes. Lockable wheels prevent accidental movement during cooking or cleaning. Durable materials mean years of rust-free, reliable performance. Perfect for renters and families seeking compact, lasting organization. Tiny gap? Watch this space-saving miracle roll right out. Unboxing time. Slim white cart. 4 tiers. Sleek packaging. Compact box. Lightweight parts. Assembly looks simple enough. Closer look. Anti-rust metal frame. Clean white finish. Shelves, deep perforated trays, stylish diamond ventilation pattern. Size check, only 7.1 inches wide, fits narrow gaps. Height gives vertical storage without stealing floor space. Wheels attached easily, caster movement is impressively smooth. Locking casters keep cart steady when you need stability. Roll it into the living room for snacks effortlessly. Side cup and 8 hooks add clever storage options. Hang loofahs, brushes, ladles, towels, so versatile. Each shelf supports up to 22 pounds safely. Tip: heavier items on lower tiers ensure stability. Plastic trays resist spills, drain fast thanks perforations. Metal tubing is sturdy yet lightweight for easy handling. Assembly flexible. Use 3 or 4 tiers as needed. Remove wheels to tuck cart under counters snugly. Dimensions fit bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, salons effortlessly. Perfect for apartments, rental hosts, busy family bathrooms. Hands-on. Loading bottles, towels, cleaners, zero wobble. Wheels roll smoothly across tile, vinyl, and hardwood. Hooks hold tools securely without scratching surfaces or utensils. Looks minimal and blends with modern home decor. Cleaning is easy. Wipe plastic trays and poles. One warning: avoid overloading top shelf with heavy items. Great value for organization in tight spaces, honestly. Recommended for anyone needing instant vertical storage solutions. Quick assemble, durable, finish. Retailer-ready product for resellers. If you host frequently, this cart becomes indispensable quickly. Link in description to buy limited stock sometimes. Grab one now and reclaim your wasted space today. Tired of clutter and narrow gaps and wasted vertical space? Shoebox kitchens, crowded bathrooms, nothing fits where it should. I used boxes and baskets. Still tripping over toiletries? Moving things around felt impossible in my tiny apartment. Then I found the Max Hauser Slim 3 tier rolling cart. Tool-free snap-together assembly. Set it up within minutes effortlessly. Slim 9-inch width fits narrow gaps and awkward corners. 3 breathable mesh baskets keep items visible and ventilated. Raised 3, 5-inch edges prevent spills and keep things secure. Durable powder-coated metal resists scratches and wipes clean easily. U-shape bottom adds stability even when carrying heavier loads. 360-degree wheels glide smoothly. 2 lockable for steady positioning. Side hook gives extra hanging storage for towels or bags. I slid it beside my sink and stocked daily essentials. Spices, cleaning sprays, brushes, everything organized and reachable now. In the bathroom, it holds toiletries, hair tools, and creams. Office, use it for supplies, files, chargers, and small gadgets. Laundry room becomes neater with detergent and spray storage. Assembly took me 3 minutes. No tools, no fuss. Cart dimensions 17.7 by 9 by 30.9 inches. Slim, perfect for renters. No drilling, no permanent changes required. Looks sleek in black and complements modern small spaces. High load-bearing baskets handle kitchen cans and heavier items. Wheels lock firmly so it won't roll unexpectedly anymore. Cleaning is effortless. Just wipe with a damp cloth. Fits beside fridge, sink, vanity, or narrow closet spaces. My home feels organized, calm, and surprisingly spacious. If you need smart storage, this cart is a winner. Grab the Max Hauser Slim Cart and reclaim your space. Customer support available. Max Hauser stands behind every purchase. Tired of clutter slowing you down every single morning? Makeup spilling, snacks lost, supplies buried, frustrating time wasted daily. Small spaces, slippery floors, items nowhere when you need them. Shelves too heavy, carts unstable, cleaning takes forever. Meet Goovilla 3-tier rolling utility cart smart mobile storage. Compact matte black design fits tight corners and counters. Removable top drawer keeps small items dust-free and organized. Slide it out to clean or to store taller items. 3 tiers hold cosmetics, snacks, craft supplies, baby essentials. Strong load capacity supports heavy supplies without wobble. Top shelf holds 24 pounds. Lower shelves hold 50 each. Built-in handles and 360-degree swivel wheels glide smoothly. Two lockable casters keep the cart stable when needed. Thick plastic trays are durable, rust-free, easy to clean. Openwork drainage pattern prevents water buildup after spills. Includes 2 cups and 4 hooks for focus storage. Customizable layers let you convert between 2, 3, 5 tiers. Snap-fit assembly, no screws. One person installs quickly. Slim 10.6 by 14.9 inch footprint fits narrow spaces. Smooth edges protect floors and your hands during use. Before, cluttered counters, hunting bags for missing essentials. After, everything accessible, visible, and ready within seconds. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, salons, nurseries, offices, craft stations, professional-looking setup, tidy, mobile, efficient workspace instantly. Saves time searching, boosts productivity and reduces stress. Perfect for busy parents, creatives, salon pros, home cooks. Goovilla cart. Versatile, sturdy, easy, practically makes sense daily. Grab yours now, organize smarter, not harder today. Tap link below to order or learn product details. Lifetime of tidy routines starts with one smart rolling cart. There you have it, the top 5 slim storage carts for under 6-inch gaps. With the budget-friendly Goovilla at $19.84 stealing the show for value. Grab yours using the links below and level up your kitchen organization game today. If you enjoyed this Amazon test, smash that like button, subscribe for more kitchen and minimalist finds, and drop a comment. Which cart are you trying first? See you next time.